Hello everyone, today we are promoting this new, no, it's not new, but we have a new promotion on this producer called Zenato from Veneto. It's a great area for, particularly quite well known for Amarone. This is the Amarone. Amarone is very particular, very unique type of wine, the way it's produced, the way it's made. One of the characteristics is that they normally put the grapes on a trays, on huge trays, let them dry up so the sugar content gets higher, and so is the volume on the wine. In fact, they go up to this one is 16.5 volume, so it's quite interesting because it's not sweet, but it's powerful and full body, and yeah, it's got sweetness finish to it, but it's an incredible wine to drink with game and big meat. So this is Amarone, which I think most people know about. The other interesting one that we're promoting from the same producer is the Ripassa. Ripassa in Italian means a second press. So this is the second press of Amarone that represents an incredible value for money. So it's made more or less in the same way. Also in this promotion, we are promoting a white wine from the same area, but it's produced from an Azienda Agricola Santa Cristina in collaboration with Zenato, and it's a Lugana. Lugana is a grape variety that is in the area, and it's an amazing white wine, all I can say. It's full body, smooth, and it's lemony, it's got flowers, and it's got all sorts of minerals, and it's a very pleasant white wine you can drink even with a bit of meat, because it's got a bit of body to it. It's very pleasant. I like this wine very much, and we like to promote it together with all these two other reds, which will be on a short period of promotion with us with 20% discount. And I hope you come and try some of these wines, because all of them are very, very good, and particularly they'll be very good value for money. And with that, I hope to see you in the shop soon. Goodbye.